Tip 1. As a rule, it's a good idea to test your iron's heat on a swatch before you press your garment to make sure your fabric won't burn. Tip 2. While sewing, press, don't iron. Press up and down, not side to side, or your fabric might stretch and distort. If you use an ironing motion, iron on the length of grain, not sideways or on the bias. Tip 3. For stubborn wrinkles, mix 1 part vinegar to 3 parts water. Spray and let sit for 1 minute, then press. Repeat as necessary until the wrinkles release. Tip 4. To press between buttons on your favorite button-up, use a clean hair straightener. Tip 5. Use glass head pins. They won't melt with heat.